Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and we are at Brother Moto in downtown Atlanta off Memorial Drive. Very unique motorcycle shop as far as shops go. Not many of them like this across the United States. Some call it a co-op. I'm not sure that really defines it. They're not really a dealership, although they will sell bikes here. Not really exclusively a repair shop, although they do a lot of repairs here. They've got a coffee shop, but that's not exclusive. They've got a retail center, although that's not all they do. They're not just a clothing store, obviously. I guess the best way to describe them, they're really all of those things, and they're a community. Kind of the new thing in motorcycle shops. You can actually buy a membership with Brother Moto and store your bike here, have access to their shop and their tools, and there's different grades of that. The higher you go, the more involved you can get, the more they'll help you with your bike and things like that. And they do a lot of events, a lot of rides, a lot of charities. We're here right now in downtown for their 4-year anniversary as an entity here in Atlanta. And big thing, they've had bikes all day long out here. It's been really cool. It's been going on from about 11 o'clock till almost 4. And I finally got to drop by and see these guys. I did a story on them a couple of years ago. Jared and Bobby, the co-owners, co-founders of it, and the brains behind this operation. And great organization, a great model they've got, just such a cool model, really reaching young people and with the motorcycling lifestyle and kind of passing it on. So let's have a look around here. So Brother Moto, a great community, motorcycle community here in downtown Atlanta, 670 Memorial Drive Southeast, downtown Atlanta. If you get a chance, you're in the area, you need to stop in and come see these guys. They got a great thing going on. It's a great coffee shop, great retail, great repair of bikes, nice ones they've got for sale, some older classics, and more than anything else, this is a great motorcycle community. Awesome. Have a great day. Rob Brooks, Road Dirt, signing off.